So hi, my name is Jenicca. I am a PhD student in computer science at the University of Stellenbosch in South Africa. But my history with South Africa started about 10 years ago when I moved there for my undergraduate studies at the Nelson Mandela University in Port Elizabeth, a city in the Eastern Cape. I think it was one of the best experiences of my life. It's a coastal city and it's kind of like a student city because the university is across the town. We were living by the beach. Everybody was just like, oh, you're on holidays. But it was actually studying there. Met some amazing people. One of the best friends I've made are from there. But then I moved to Cape Town, the mother city for my master's. Cape Town is just one of the best cities to live in the world. I mean, South Africa in itself is a world in one country, from again 11 official languages, deserts to forest, all sorts of climate. The food, amazing food. I think I was not a foodie before, but after South Africa, I love food, and especially food from there. It's from the traditional dish potjie to the braai, which is barbecue. You're from the city and you drive for like 20 minutes. You're on a safari trip already among the wildlife. You drive for another 10, you're in the wine farms for the best wine in the world. Definitely not driving that day. Yeah, and I've lived across, several countries in the world, and South Africa is home. There's no other city I would rather live than South Africa. That's why I'm back there, actually. So yeah, I think if we want a full-on experience of a trip, go abroad, do fun activities, South Africa is the place.